name is Tony Belleza. I'm from Beleza's Home Services located in Gold River, California. We now do a lot of cleaning for Airbnbs, hotels, and also high-end homes. About how we can help people to find products well-contained safe ingredients. Now I do some researches on EPA website and I try to use this. We have some spreadsheets in my company because as a Brazilian and Latino, our community thinks cleaning is related to good smells, but it's not. We now have a lot of safe choices, and now in California we have a lot of people with dogs, like animals, and I think we need to switch over this and make sure to use just safe things. And how the industry can help these cleaning practices, I will talk about my community again. Uh, ISSA is doing a lot of great things and we have a lot of things to research, but our community needs to have voice, and no, cleaning do not mean it smells good.